Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to bet in OneXBet Cricket in Telugu. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. So all you have to do right now is just to come and click on all. Yeah, you're going to find out all the sports available for OneXBet. So you are just going to scroll down until the section where you see cricket. You click on cricket, and next you'll find out all the cricket options available of championship, like the Indian Championship, the Delhi Premier League, the Prince Alcott Trophy, and much more. So you're just going to click on the Delhi Premier League. Next, you head directly to one of these championships, like the county championship. So you're just going to click on it, and now you'll find out many options of betting. So like for this bet, you can just place a bet on the win of one of the two teams. Like you can place this bet and now directly enter an amount to bet on this option of the winning of Hampshire of this championship, and you can just place a bet to conclude our betting on OneXBet, and it is as simple as that.